Hello. In this lecture, we will talk about scammed websites. You could be making $1,000 in the next 2 hours. I'll give you everything you need to start making $1,000 a day. All you have to do is pay a one-time fee of $34.95 and you'll be on your way to making 6 figures a year. Does this sound familiar? You've almost certainly seen at least one of these if you've ever searched for a way to make money online. There are some simple ways you can determine which websites are scams. 1. Scamadvisor.com. I really love this website and it's very easy to use. Just write the domain name and click Check It Now. The green mark means this site is very safe to use. The yellow mark means that it is somehow safe, and the red mark means not a trusted website. But unfortunately, although Scamadvisor is a very good way for detecting scams, but sometimes it gives red or yellow marks for trusted sites. So let's move to step 2. 2. Ask yourself, do they promise that you will become rich overnight? Let's face it, very few of us are ever going to make thousands of dollars each day. However, scammers prey on our hopes and dreams of being rich without moving a finger. They tell us that our dreams can come true, but only if we do what they tell us to do. Thus, the scammer's greatest weapon is you. Always keep your logic handy. 3. Make a lot of searches on Google and see YouTube reviews about this website. It will be very helpful. But don't worry, I will tell you about a lot of safe sites to use later, so stay tuned. In the next lecture, we will discuss the first way on how you can earn money online. See you there.